Now, viewers, the US Vice President J.D. Vance has arrived in India on a 4-day visit along with his Indian origin wife Usha Vance and their 3 children. He is scheduled to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi on evening today at the latter's residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. J.D. Vance, along with his wife Usha Vance and their 3 children, were received by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav at the Palam Airport. The US Vice President also received a ceremonial card of honor upon his arrival. Vice President of the United States, J.D. Vance, and Second Lady Usha Vance, along with their children, have reached Akshardham Temple. Vance's visit comes amidst the President Donald Trump's aggressive tariff onslaught. Vance's visit does raise his expectations of a progress in trade talks between the two nations. Vance and his family are also set to visit Jaipur and Agra during the visit, with preparations made for the much anticipated visit. Arzu Seth is joining me live on the broadcast for more. Arzu, as J.D. Vance and his wife have reached the Akshardham, this is one of the first stop for their continuing scheduled jam-packed programs which have begun in the national capital. J.D. Vance and family have arrived at the Akshardham temple for visiting the temple and also, in fact, attending the ceremonies that have been arranged specifically in their honor as well. Now, share more details as to for the Vance family with their children now, as they will be also taking forward the next leg of their official visit with a dinner that will be hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg.
Well, Simran, the Vice President of United States, J.D. Vance, have just arrived at the Akshardham. These are the visuals we are showing you exclusively. We are standing right outside the Akshardham temple where we are showing you the visuals. He has just arrived, and also the Vice President of the United States, J.D. Vance, received the ceremonial guard of honor as he arrives at the Palam Airport for his first official visit to India. He was along with his wife and 3 children who were seen wearing the traditional clothes, and now he has arrived at the Swaminarayan Akshardham temple in New Delhi, an adobe of God and Hindu house of worship and spiritual devotion, learning and harmony. Also, timeless Hindu spiritual message, and it is being made with marbles. Each element of Akshardham echoes with the spirituality, the mandir, the exhibition, and even the gardens. The Akshardham mandir has over 200 murtis representing many of these spiritual stalwart. The spiritual premise of the Akshardham is that each soul is potentially divine, and that's why earlier we saw Rishi Sunak visiting the Akshardham, and now J.D. Vance, the Vice President of US, have just arrived along with his family and family members. We also have the spokesperson and also the volunteer of the Akshardham temple with us. Thanks so much for talking to News 6.
Yeah, as we all know that the Vice President of US has arrived for the Akshardham Darshan, and he has come along with his wife and his kids. So all the program has been done, as you can see that all the security measures have been taken to ensure their safety, and now they have arrived to the Akshardham. They are inside, and they are having the darshan of footprints of Bhagwan Swami Narayan, and there they will be welcomed by our senior saint Brahm Bihari Das Swamiji, and the second lady will be welcomed by our female volunteers, and then they are going to have the darshan in the main monument, in the main mandir, Bhagwan Swami Narayan's darshan, along with all other gods are also there. So they are having the darshan of all of them, and they were highly interested in knowing about our culture, the architecture of the Akshardham, as it is a traditional mixture of both architecture and the techniques. Techniques are also used traditionally in the mandir, so they'll be seeing each and everything, and more importantly that Akshardham represent the global peace. So they'll also be seeing each and every component in the Akshardham. After that they might be doing the Abhishek also for the Neelkant Varni. So that's how they are going to spend their time inside, and our saints and volunteers, they'll be escorting them and they'll be giving them the guided tour and everything.
Yes, the Akshardham temple has been made by BAPS, and usually, the special arrangement have been made inside the temple, and in fact, he will be spending around 30 to 35 minutes inside the temple. Also, what special arrangements have been made inside the temple for the welcoming of the, Vice President?
So our volunteers and our saints, they'll be standing there to welcome them. They'll be welcomed in our Hindu traditional way. So they'll be given the garland, flowers, and they'll be given the tika of the vermilion, and the sacred thread will be tied on their wrist. So the way we welcome each and every guest in Indian tradition, the same way they'll be welcomed here, and then they'll be given the darshan and tour of the Akshardham Mandir.
Also, his wife Usha Vance is the Indian origin. So, how significant it is, to visit Akshardham Temple in New Delhi?
See, whosoever comes to the New Delhi, so Akshardham is the main focus point. Everyone wants to visit, and since the second lady is itself, you said that she is from the Indian origin, so obviously it would be a great honor for us to welcome here and to take us around to the mandir. And she has also like brought his American husband and the kids, so they'll be also knowing and they'll be also spreading. And in America also, the BAPS is having n number of temples around. So they have already been well known through all these things, so they'll be enjoying here.
So proud moment it is for you all. Also, I can see volunteers are also standing since morning to welcome the Vice President.
Yeah, it's very proud moment, and also the very exciting that such honored guests and dignitaries are coming here, and we are welcoming them, and we have got chance to see them and welcome here, and they are also having chance to come to the gods. Akshardham is divine abode of God, and they are also coming here and taking message of the global peace around and everything. So it's really good to have them and other guests like them in the Akshardham temple.
Thank you so much. So there you heard Simran.